NFL Mixer. Pick your team break number 6098, July 18th. Thank you all for hopping in this one. We get that we're live first before we start it. Teams will be in the comments. This will be the last football break tonight. There will be one more baseball break posted up at 6:30 p.m. PST. 2 boxes of Finest, 2 boxes Tier 1. That will be the last break tonight. And this one we got Finest Hobby, Topps Cosmic Chrome Hobby, and Chrome Black Hobby. Second here. Alrighty, let's start with Finest first. Good luck, everybody. Finest has been hot today in baseball. Let's see if football produces us a banger here. Pack number 1. Abdul Carter, Tet, Hampton, Gabriel, ETN on the comments. First auto, Sproles. Gonna go to the Chargers. Finest Greats auto. Chargers landed for Roger. Aaron Sproles. First auto. K9 on the rare. Stafford at 200s for the Rams, Garrett Rhoads. Saquon, Team Finest Tua. Stafford at 200. 73 of 200 there. So 1 auto out. 1 to go. Got James Cook, Jerry Jeudy, Micah, DK, Kenneth Grant Commons, Kyler, Bijan on the X Factor, Refractor of Stroud Tortures, Herbert, and Reflash of Worthy. Texans going to go to Brandon Scott. Bijan for the Falcons, Sawyer. X Factor. Can't tell if this is our auto. Miles Garrett, Will Howard, Harvey, Beck, Campbell, Mahomes, Okoye. Finest Greats autos. So 2 Finest Greats base autos. Chiefs on this one. Gotta go to speed. Okoye. Our next auto. We got Rogers Creators, Refractor, Jaden on the Tortures, and Montgomery. Looking for low numbered or short print. Unless we got another auto coming. Definite possibility. At least on that last baseball box that we ripped, we had 4 autos. Purple's coming. JD5, JJ, Bo Nix, Rome, Rare JJ, Fields to 99 Jets, creators of Drake May, Mike Evans and Fred Warner, uncommon. Fields to 99 Jets, Grady. Yeah, not the Casie auto. Koye. Does pop up every now and again. We're trying Coca. Trying to reel one in for you. Not sure what team you got, the Browns. Definitely live. Kyler Refractor Woody. There's Emmitt Smith to 250 uncommon, Malik and Pearsall on the reflash X-Fractor. One of the Niners. Emmitt Smith for Dallas going to Jimy. Final pack's coming up to 250. All right, last pack and finest. Then we go to Cosmic. Got Mason Taylor, Higgins, Quinn, Shuck, Josh Allen, and Malik on the commons. Refractor, Cam Ward, Titans. There's a nice one to 125. Mahomes on the rare. Go to Speed. Nice Mahomes. This one's numbered 5 of 125. Torturers will be of Rodgers. Last numbered card, Mark Andrews. To 75, Ravens, Robert. Mark Andrews to 75. That'll do it for finest. Feels like finest starting to become a little due here. Something big. Cam Ward refractor. Cosmic. Good luck. We got Henry, Campbell, Sutton, JT, Bucky, Lightspeed, Arroyo. First numbered card, we got Puka, Breece Hall for the Jets. It's going to be of T-Law to 150, Jaguars, and Simmons. Trevor Lawrence to 150. Kamara, A.J. Brown, Josh Allen on the ET, and Travis Hunter. Josh Allen's going to go to David, ET. Here comes a white hole Caron. It's going to be Rodgers for the Steelers. This almost looks like a refractor. Is this a refractor or a white hole? It's like kind of a light white hole here. Pittsburgh Steelers landed for Charlie. We got Caldwell. Josh Allen base, Harrison Jr., Cam Ward, Stars in the Night, Titans, ETN. Tennessee Titans for Robert. Cam Ward. Worthy, JSN, Bijan, and Donovan E. Rodgers, Diggs, another Josh Allen, Lightspeed on that one, Woody Marks. More Josh Allen. Lightspeed. Waddle, Herbert, Tua, Ferguson. Last pack, TJ Watt, Tavondre, Star Clusters, Randoms, Chargers, Patriots, Hampton, Travion to Kyle Williams. Go to the randoms at the end. Second half coming up. Good luck. T-Law, Stafford, Refractor, Quincy Williams, and Carter. Here we go. We either got an auto or short print coming up here. Giants. Here is Jackson Dart to 99 Solar Flare. And that's going to go to Nick. Let's go, Nick. Nice hit. I'm pulling a ton of autos out of Cosmic recently. There's a very nice one. Jackson Dart, 76 of 99. Very nice. Actually, keep up Rogers. Light speed of Kyler and Nolan. Double to go. Numbered cards, Saquon, Debo will be of Kyle Williams to 199. Pats for Rob. Kyle Williams, 199. Kittle, Ridley, there's another dart on the ET and Barron. Icing on the cake for the Giants. Refractors coming. Brock, Mahomes, Travion Refractor, Patriots, and Tyler Warren. Travion for the Pats. Refractor. Got Travis Kelce, BTJ, Jalen Waddle, Lightspeed, and Matthew Golden. Waddle. Micah, Pearsall, Brees Hall for the Jets, Schweisinger. Reese Nucleus going to Grady. Couple to go. Njoku, Coleman, Lamar for the Ravens, Stars in the Night, Landon Jackson. Go to Robert, the Ravens. 2 left. London, Joey B, Mike Evans, and Bowman Jr. Final pack Cosmic. Closing with Josh Jacobs, Star Clusters, Bengals, Joey B, Jamar, and Stewart. It's going to close out Cosmic, but a nice box. Maybe you can hit a dart auto of Cosmic. Joe Burrow, Jamar. Bengals going to go to TJ. Last box in the break. Chrome Black. Good luck on the peel in this one. Hopefully we got some good color coming up. I think Refractor maybe. Good luck. Pittman Jr., Milrow base, Campbell. There's Caleb to 75. Nice one for Chicago. The Bears will go to Joseph P. We have speed, but it's been a minute. 23/75 on the Caleb. It's definitely been a minute for that. Baker Casie. I think it was the last one we pulled was Puka. Last time. Refractor, Gibbs, Joey B, Hampton, Royals to 299, Harrison Jr. for Walter and JT. Marvin to 299. And our auto, I believe, is a refractor. So I think it's the 199 or 299 coming up. Good luck here. Rookie. Oh boy. Giants again. Let's get... Unless Abdul Carter, does he have autos? Could be another dart here. Scataboo, you got them both. What a break for the Giants. Dart auto to 99, Scat to 299. Congrats to Nick. Closing us out. Got the duo. Recap will be coming up here. Thank you guys once again for joining. If interested, last break tonight will be baseball. Going up here in about 5 minutes or so. Do have one card that we got to randomize. We'll do that at the end. Start with the base. Base. Commons. Got some inserts. Stars of the night. We have rares, refractors, X-fractors, white hole of Rogers. This almost looks like a refractor. It's tripping me out. That's like a very faint white hole. Brees, Nucleus, Mahomes rare to 125, Harrison Jr., Kyle Williams, Stafford, Emmitt Smith, T-Law, Mark Andrews, Fields, Caleb Williams to 75, Otto Sproles, Okoye, Dart to 99, and Scataboo to 299. Patriots, Chargers. Ice roll's got to be 4 higher. Go 9 times. Patriots, Chargers. That's for Star Clusters, Hampton, Ravion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9's going to the Chargers. That's the Chargers, top of the list. Look at the Star Clusters. That's on 9. Appreciate you all. Thank you once again. I will see you on the next piece.